Hi guys, happy Taco Tuesday. To celebrate, I'm not making just any ordinary tacos. I'm making a taco waffle sundae. So I start out by pouring our Foodstirs organic simply sweet vanilla cake mix in a bowl with eggs, yogurt, butter, and milk. And I stir that up and pour it into a waffle maker. But you can also pour the batter onto a baking sheet in a nice thin circle and it works just as well. And I cooked that until golden brown like this. And I didn't have a taco holder at home, so I just made one using cooking spray and setting it on top of an egg carton, and it worked perfect. I scooped some ice cream on top with chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and sprinkles. And it turned out to be the most delicious ice cream taco ever. Enjoy!